Hi friends, welcome to Testing Today's Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about what are the tags are present and how to use the tags for demo in these topics, and we are going to discussing in this class. And don't worry about that if you don't know about the tags, and I'm going to clear explanation I'm going to providing here. You can able to understand how we can able to use the tags. Okay, first we are going to that what are the tags in Cucumber. Basically, the tags means, and if you are specifying that any kind of feature file to run a specific thing, the features and scenarios can be marked with the tag. In that tags, basically we can able to use @ symbol like this @smoke test, and here we can able to specify one scenario for that the tag. That tag we can able to specify in the test runner, and we can able to run our scenario or feature. And each any scenario or feature having a multiple tags, we can able to run with a single or multiple tags, and we can able to run with the combination of tags or using and or combination, and we can able to skip for scenario having specific tag. And how we can able to use these tags, and how we can able to create a multiple tags, and how we can able to skip the scenario or specific feature, then we will see now here. So first we need to do for creating a new class or existing class. Now I'm going to take for existing class. You can able to create new and try it, and for that I'm going to take for this is the feature. Okay, and second step we need to add for the tag. I added for one tag, and another scenario, same scenario I'm going to pass here, but without tag. Now you can able to create a new existing class for test runner, and we need to specify the tag. Okay, the tags we need to specify the name of that, and I'm going to use for here this one, and I specify that one regression. Okay, now I have a regression. Correct, here one tag is presented and there is no tag. And if I'm going to specify the smoke, how it will run, we'll see now. Smoke tag I specified, and I'm going to run this feature. Once I run the feature, you can able to see there are two couple of things we need to open. It is run for 2 times. Correct, hello browser, enter value, and the scenario based type. There are 3 options and 3 it is run. And if you specifying the tag, and in case if you are doing for opening browser and all, no, this is basically at the top of that. And if you are specifying that a regression, and if you run this one, now you can see in the top only one scenario it is executed. Correct, now second scenario it is not executed because there is no tag for that. And if you specifying that sanity, and also you can able to specify regression. Now same regression if I'm running, now it will execute for 2 scenarios because my regression tag is having 2 places. And if you run that 2, and it will run 2 times. Now see, 2 times it is run. Correct, and this is a multiple times we can able to multiple tags we can able to specify that scenario. Okay, one concept. And scenario, the tag we can able to single tag we can able to run, or multiple tags we can able to run, that we saw, right? And now we can able to specify the combination of multiple tags to run. And if you want to run for smoke or sanity, then you have to specify like this, and you can able to use it the combination of the regression and as well as and or combination. If you're using and or combination, it will run for both, and you can use any one, it will run. If you are using and not regression, and one it will execute. Now we'll see here, and if you specifying this, okay, now I'm going to specifying that my regression class, and also I'll specify one more scenario, regression 1. Okay, and I can able to do it. Regression 1. Okay, now if I'm running this one, it should run for 3 scenarios, because my regression is having 2 places, one and another one is regression also presented. And you can able to see here, hello, 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 3 times, because my regression is having 2 times and regression 1 is having 1. And if I'm using and, if I use and, now see that what is the response it will come. I'm printing here for simple text, and don't worry about that, real time also you can able to use. And now it is not run anyone, because my regression it is not indication. And if I am using for and not, the combination should be run. Now it is run one, because any one it should. And in case if you specifying future file any scenario, that is called regression. If both the tags are presented, now any one it is run, right? Now if you using this concept, and if you are going to runner class, if you are modifying not for, and if you run now, it will run one scenario, okay, which is presented for regression 1 and regression. If both are presented, then it will execute. And now you can able to see here, one scenario execute. Previous what happened, it is given empty, right? Because it is not having any combination, that's why it is showing for empty, because the combination it is not presented. And symbol, if you are using not, means any one it is presented, that it will execute. Okay, and multiple tags, and we can able to use for tags for ignoring and for that particular execution. And if you are specifying this brace, then what will happen, any one it will pick and run, means this two combination. And not import, if you are using like this, it will not execute this particular one, and it will execute for this two combination, like that it will execute. This is a way we can able to use into our tags. Okay, we'll see for simple use tips how we can able to utilize our tags. Basically, tags can be placed above the following Gherkin elements, like, means in these all the places we can able to specify our tag. One is future, scenario, scenario outlet, and examples. These all the places we can able to create. Means in the future file you can able to create for that future file for tag and scenario tag and example. If it is having any examples, and that examples you can able to create for tags. Okay, otherwise you can't create for tags, and if you are going to step for tag it will not allow. Okay, and it is not possible to place the tags on above background or steps. Means if you are creating any background for this particular step, here background, in this background we can't specify any tag because it is by default it will execute and it is not required for any tag, and also in the step also it is not required for any tag, it will not allow. And second concept, it's like a tags inheritance. Means tags are inherited by the child element. Tags that are placed above a feature file will be inherited by the scenario. Okay, the scenario outline or example. The tags that are placed above scenario outline will be inherited by the examples. Means if you are using for any scenario, okay, scenario in the future file will be inherited by the scenario or scenario outline or example. Means if you are using the future file tag, if you are not using any tag into here, this entire future file it will run, and the starting time I run and I show you how it will the running, right? Means if I'm not using anything here, the tag only, if there is no nothing tags are presented also, with the tags without tags also, if you are specifying the smoke here and all the places it will reflect the inheritance, and if you are using the outline scenario outline or example, it will inherit in same place, will be inherited by the examples. Okay, and the execution of with the tags, you can create and keep ready multiple test runner classes with the different combination of the tags, or create the commands with the tags combinations as required to be run from the command line. This concept we'll learn in the next video session. I will show you how to run for this Cucumber file using for our command prompt. Okay, this last line I will show you in the next video. We can able to see up to here, and outlines are we can able to use for tags to execute our particular scenarios. Okay, and also in the background also I'll explain the later video. You can able to understand clearly how why it is background is required and all. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.